Guys, welcome back to another video. Today we have a really special privilege. I have invited Trex out, the one, the only. We have somebody else here, we'll talk to him in a minute. Lambo doors. Lambo doors on a new car. I've never experienced this before in my life. We are doing it. So a big thing for me is how I get in and out of the car, because I do struggle so much to get in and out of the car. So I thought I would, while Trex is filming me go in and out of his car, because he can't really say no, he just kind of has to go with it and see what I film. So, getting in, not terrible. To close it, I'm going to reach for the stars, pull it down. So it doesn't open and lift. First time. You emerge, always back to the front of the car, because you want people to get that man of mystery approach, and then you reveal. It actually works really well. It's really cool. Lambo doors, Gen 6 Camaro. This is awesome. Till next time, drive safe, take care, and I will see you later.